Everyone, back with another 4Runner install. I have a part in my lap right here that I have honestly been procrastinating on installing for over 2 months now, probably over 3 months, I don't even know. So Austin, I apologize. I literally told you that I was gonna do this so long ago, but one thing after another, I swear to God. But I am now going to install my kill switch in the 4Runner. If you don't know what a kill switch is for, this is going to plug into where your ignition wires are underneath your dash by your steering wheel, and basically bridge a gap, add a switch in, and when that switch is activated, your vehicle cannot be started. So it basically prevents your car from someone being able to steal it, which I daily drive this car. It is definitely sticks out from the crowd. If you followed my page and seen this truck, it looks a little bit different than your average 3rd gen 4Runner. So with the fact that I park downtown in Austin sometimes, and just traveling in general, I'd like to have a kill switch in place to, you know, at least have some type of theft deterrent on top of like having a dash cam and stuff like that. So this kill switch right here actually applies to a lot of different Toyota and Lexus applications, and probably some more stuff. You can look it up on his site. I'm going to put the link in the description below for this product, and he's got all the makes and models and stuff that he has this kill switch available for. And guys, honestly, I don't drink, but I'm gonna say this is a 1 coconut water job, if that. Like, it's literally so simple. You plug this switch into this harness into one end, this one into the other end, find a place to mount your little switch solenoid thingy here, find a spot to ground this wire, and then obviously the kill switch itself, the actual switch, on off right there. I'm gonna find a place to hide this. I'm not gonna include this in the video because that is not something I want anyone else to know except myself where this is. That's the whole point of it. So yeah, you're gonna get to see everything except that, but do that at your own discretion as far as like deciding where you go. You can hide it in a fog light switch. I thought that was kind of basic. I didn't want to do the fog light in the factory location. That's kind of blatantly obvious. Like you could figure that out pretty easily. So I want to actually hide mine and put it in a place where only I know where it's at, or if I ever have someone else driving my car, of course I'd let them know. But yeah, let's get down to it. All right, everyone, so first step in the process is going to be removing your steering column, console panel, whatever you want to call it, right here. 4 10mm bolts, 3/8 Milwaukee with a 10 deep socket. Easy this panel, guys, come on. All right, guys, so like I said in the beginning, really simple install, not even a 1 coconut water job. Look, find the only connector underneath here after you take that kick panel off that this end fits into. There's no other connector in here that this will fit into. Snap that in, and then this other end, the female end, you're gonna take and get the other end of the factory plug and plug that in right there. And obviously make sure you hear that snap, make sure it seats in there nice. So this right here was already pretty crowded whenever I took this out as far as the wires and stuff like that. So you're gonna have to, you know, I'm gonna have to tuck this up underneath here and find a little spot for this. It looks like there's a little place right here I could put some 3M double-sided sticky and have this like right here. Now I'm just going to lift this kick panel up in place. Now, one thing, guys, you want to make sure you do is make sure you get this insert for your ball chiller lined up perfectly in here, because you don't want this thing to not work. Okay, guys, so this is for 3rd gen 4Runner guys only, obviously. So in the driver kick panel, right above your 4-wheel drive control module, right above these plugs, as you can see right up there where that nut is, or bolt or whatever, there is a ground already, a mutual ground for some other stuff. And I also have my traction control switch grounded to that as well. So that's a great place to put your ground. It's up out of the way. All right, everyone, so we're here in the driver's seat and we've got everything installed. I still need to hide the switch, obviously, but before I actually do the final hiding of the switch, I want to make sure that this thing works so I don't have to rip anything else out. So right now it's off. Right now I'm going to switch it to the on position, so the kill switch is activated. I should be able to stick the key in the ignition. Light should come on, and nothing should happen when I turn it over. Can't start it. So now let's take the key out. Let's grab the kill switch again. Let's turn it to the off position and see if we can start the truck and make sure we can still drive. There we go. Super easy install, guys. I'll put the link to the product below. Please give me a follow on YouTube here, like, comment, share the video, whatever. I hope this helps anybody else installing this on the 3rd Gen 4Runner.